Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your debit card with Temu shopping app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got into Temu and you want to start purchasing things using your debit card. How do you actually go ahead and connect your debit card with the Temu shopping app? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're first going to do is that you're going to log on to your Temu shopping app. And next you're going to click on the U icon on the middle bottom side. And then from here, you're going to click on the icon that looks like a hexagon on the upper right hand side. Now once you've done that, you'll see a variety of different options here. You're going to click on your payment methods. And then from here, you're going to click on add a credit or debit card. Now this is the part where you enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. And once you're done, you're just going to click on add card. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your debit card with Temu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.